Good morning, dear students. Let us begin from here. Don't faint, he said sharply. He did not put down his exploring instrument. If I stop now, the man will surely die. She clapped her hands to her mouth and leaped up and ran out of the room. Outside in the garden, he heard her retching, but he went on with his work. Class here leaped means jumped, retching means here vomiting. Explanation of the above passage is Sadao reacted and ordered Hana not to faint. He did not stop his work and continued inspecting the wound. Sadao said that if he stopped, the injured man would certainly die. Hana put both her hands on her mouth, jumped up and ran out of the room. Sadao heard her vomiting in the garden, but he continued with his work. So, this is the explanation of the above passage. Further lines from the textbook are: it will be better for her to empty her stomach, he thought. He means here Dr. Sadao. He had forgotten that, of course, she had never seen an operation, but her distress and his inability to go to her at once made him impatient and irritable with this man who lay like dead under his knife. As Sadao needed Hana's help to operate the man, so this is the explanation. He thought that it would be better for her to empty her stomach so that she would not feel uneasy time and again. He was reminded that Hana was seeing an operation for the first time and it was not a pleasant thing to see. Sadao was irritated and impatient as his wife was under stress and he was not able to help her due to the man who lay under his knife. He was just like a dead person. Further lines from the textbook are: this man, he thought, there is no reason under heaven why he should live. Explanation is: Sadao thought that there was no reason for him to make efforts to save the man because there was no reason for him to live. Further lines from the text are: unconsciously, this thought made him ruthless. Ruthless means here somewhat pitiless. And he proceeded swiftly. In his dream, the man moaned, but Sadao paid no heed. Heed means here attention, except to mutter at him. Mutter means here whisper, said slowly. Ruthless means here harsh or merciless. Moaned means made low, soft sound due to pain. Paid no heed means did not pay attention to. Explanation of the above passage is: Sadao became merciless and started working fast. The injured man moaned in his state of unconsciousness, but Sadao kept on working without paying attention to the man's pain. Further lines from the text are: groan, he muttered, groan if you like. I am not doing this for my own pleasure. In fact, I do not know why I am doing it. Explanation is: Sadao said to the injured man means here that escaped American, that he was free to cry in pain. Sadao was not concerned that the man was in pain. He did not want to operate him and did not have any reason for doing so. The door opened and there was Hana again. Where is the anesthetic? She asked in a clear voice. Sadao motioned with his chin. It is as well that you came back, he said. This fellow is beginning to stir. Stir means here move. She had the bottle and some cotton in her hand. But how shall I do it? She asked. Simply saturate the cotton and hold it near his nostril, Sadao replied without delaying for one moment. The intricate detail of his work, when he breathes badly, move it away a little. Dear students, beginning to stir means gaining consciousness. Saturate means here wet. The explanation of the above lines is Hannah entered the room and asked Sadao for the anesthetic. This is a kind of medicine which she had to administer to the injured man. Her voice was clear, which shows that now she was prepared to help him. Sadao moved his chin to guide her to the bottle of anesthetic. He added that it was good that she came as the man had started to gain consciousness and it was important to sedate him. Hannah held the bottle and some cotton in her hands. She asked what she was supposed to do. He told her to put some anesthetic on the cotton and to place the cotton near the man's nostril. He did not stop his delicate work and added that she should remove the cotton when the man started to breathe badly. Cable, thick rope, slack to reduce shed removed, panic, fear, seized, gripped. Further, Hannah sat in a squat and went close to the face of the sleeping American. She felt sad and sympathetic towards him as she saw his thin face and twisted lips. She knew that he was suffering. She wondered whether the stories that she had heard about the torture meted out to the prisoners were true. The stories were like rumors which spread when people told them to others. On the other hand, in the printed media like the newspapers, it was mentioned that the Japanese army was welcomed wherever it went and people praised it for their freedom. Hana recalled an officer of the Japanese army, General Takima, who was cruel to his wife and would beat her. No one talked about it anymore as he had won the war in Manchuria. Hana thought that if a man could be cruel towards his wife, then he could also be cruel to the prisoners in his captivity. She hoped anxiously that this young man had not been tortured. It was at this moment that she observed deep red scars on his neck just under the ear. Plus, scars means here marks. Explanation of the above lines is Hannah hoped that the man had not been tortured by the army. Just then she saw deep red colored marks, here injury marks, on his neck under the ear. Further lines are from the text. Those scars, she murmured, lifting her eyes to Sadao, but he did not answer. At this moment he felt the tip of his instrument strike against something hard, dangerously near the kidney. All thought left him. He felt only the purest pleasure. He probed with his fingers, delicately familiar with every atom of this human body. His old American professor of anatomy had seen to that knowledge. Ignorance of the human body is the surgeon's cardinal sin, sirs. He had thundered at his classes year after year to operate without as complete knowledge of the body as if you had made it anything less than that is murder. Probed means here searched. Explanation and meanings are anatomy means the branch of science concerned with the bodily structure of humans, animals, and other living organisms, especially as revealed by dissection and the separation of parts. Cardinal means here basic or first. Explanation is Hana mentioned the scars to Sadao and asked about them. Sadao did not answer. At that moment, the tip of his instrument hit something hard, means the bullet. It was very close to the kidney. Sadao was not thinking of anything else. He was happy to have finally found the bullet. He moved his fingers inside the wound. Sadao was familiar with the tiniest part of the human body. His professor of anatomy in America had told them that if a surgeon ignored the knowledge of any part of the body, it was the first misdeed that he had committed. To operate upon a body without detailed knowledge of it as much as the person who makes it has would amount to committing murder of that body. Sadao's professor would repeat these words in his class often. Further lines from the textbook are, "It is not quite at the kidney, my friend," Sadao murmured. It was his habit to murmur to the patient when he forgot himself in an operation. My friend, he always called his patients, and so now he did, forgetting that this was his enemy. So you can say that this was the habit of Dr. Sadao, because he never thought that under the treatment whether the man was his enemy or his friend. He always regarded during the operation, and he always regarded the man as a patient, and he used to call him friend. Sadao spoke to the injured man. He said that the bullet had just missed his kidney. When Sadao would get engrossed in the operation, he would start talking to the patient. He addressed the patient as my friend. He called the injured man also my friend. He forgot that this man was not a friend but an enemy. Then quickly, with the cleanest and most precise of incisions, the bullet was out. The man quivered. Quivered means he trembled, but he was still unconscious. Nevertheless, he muttered a few English words. Precise means here accurate. Incision means surgical cuts. Quivered means shivered or trembled. Muttered means spoke. Explanation is, Sadao was quick. He made a few surgical cuts on the body and removed the bullet. The man trembled in pain but remained unconscious. He spoke a few words in English which were an expression of the pain that he was experiencing. Lines from the text are, "Guts," he muttered, choking. "They got my guts." "Sadao," Hannah cried sharply. "Hush," Sadao said. The man sank into silence so profound, profound means very deep, that Sadao took up his wrist, hating the touch of it. Yes, there was still a pulse, so faint, so feeble, but enough, if he wanted the man to live, to give hope. Guts means here informal word for bravery and determination. Profound means very great or intense. Pulse means heartbeat. Feeble means here weak. Explanation of the above passage is, the injured man choked and said, "Guts, they got my guts." He meant that he was brave and courageous, and the Japanese army would have a tough time while punishing him. Upon hearing him, Hana cried out to Sadao. Sadao hushed her to keep quiet. The man became so quiet that Sadao held his wrist to check his heartbeat. He was checking if the man was still alive. His pulse was there, although it was very weak. Sadao thought that it was enough for a person who had a desire to live. There was still hope that the man would survive. Further lines from the text are, "But certainly I do not want this man to live," he thought. Sadao was sure that he did not want the man to live. "No more anesthetic," he told Hana. So, dear students, you can see by yourself that Dr. Sadao was doing something else and he was saying something else. It means, being a true doctor, he was saving that man, and being a patriot, he was thinking something other for the country. So he turned as swiftly as though he had never paused, and from his medicines he chose a small vial and from it filled a hypodermic and thrust it into the patient's left arm. Hypodermic, a kind of syringe. Then putting down the needle, he took the man's wrist again. The pulse under his fingers fluttered once or twice and then grew stronger. Vial means a small container, typically cylindrical and made of glass, used especially for holding liquid medicines. Hypodermic means needle, syringe or injection. Thrust means pushed. Fluttered means here trembled. The explanation of the above passage is Sadao stopped Hana from administering anesthetic. He turned quickly and chose a small bottle from the medicines. He filled a syringe with the medicine and pushed the vaccine into the man's left arm. Sadao placed the needle down and held the man's wrist. The pulse shivered once or twice and then improved. So, dear students, let us have all these explanations till today, and further explanations will be made in the next lecture, in the next class.